the South Pacific Ocean. Vast, deep, unknowable, a place of mystery and terror. At its heart lies Point Nemo, the point of inaccessibility, the farthest place from land on Earth, 2,688 kilometers from land in every direction. Ducie Island, Motunui, and Maher Island. These are the closest specks of land, but they offer no solace, no escape from the desolation. Nemo, Latin for no one, a fitting name for this desolate place. A place where humanity is but a distant memory. A place where the laws of nature seem to bend and break. Captain Nemo, a fictional character from Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, he roamed the depths in his submarine, the Nautilus, a fitting namesake for this underwater realm of secrets. Sailors avoid Point Nemo. It is a place of unpredictable currents. Violent storms can erupt without warning. The winds howl like banshees, whipping the ocean into a frenzy. Even on calm days, an unsettling silence hangs in the air. No birds fly overhead. No fish break the surface of the water. Only the vast emptiness of the Pacific stretches out in every direction. Strange sounds emanate from the depths. Low rumbles, high-pitched squeals, unexplained noises that defy explanation. Some say they are the calls of unknown creatures, creatures that lurk in the abyssal depths. Legends speak of colossal squid, their tentacles as thick as a man's torso reaching up from the darkness. They drag ships and their crews to watery graves. Are these just stories, or do they hold a grain of truth? Section 5. The Bloop. A Sound from the Abyss, 1997. A powerful, ultra-low frequency sound was detected. It originated near Point Nemo. The sound was so loud it was picked up by multiple hydrophones, thousands of miles apart. Scientists were baffled. They called it the bloop. Some theorized it was the sound of a massive ice shelf breaking off Antarctica. Others weren't so sure. Could it have been something else? Something far more sinister? The bloop was unlike anything ever recorded before. Its frequency and intensity were so unusual that it sparked a wave of curiosity and speculation across the scientific community. Hydrophones, which are underwater microphones, are typically used to monitor marine life and seismic activity. But this time, they captured something extraordinary. The sound was detected over a span of 5,000 kilometers, a feat that no known marine animal or geological event could achieve. Theories began to emerge. Some scientists suggested that the sound was produced by a massive iceberg calving, a process where large chunks of ice break off from glaciers or ice shelves. This explanation seemed plausible given the location near Antarctica. However, the sheer volume and reach of the bloop left many unconvinced. Could it be a previously undiscovered marine creature lurking in the uncharted depths of the ocean? The idea of an unknown sea creature captured the imagination of many. The ocean is vast and largely unexplored, with depths that remain a mystery to us. Could there be a colossal, undiscovered species that made this sound? The possibility was both thrilling and terrifying. Some even speculated about ancient sea monsters, creatures from folklore that might still roam the abyssal plains. Despite numerous studies and advanced technology, the true source of the bloop remains a mystery. It serves as a reminder of how much we have yet to learn about our planet's oceans. The sound has not been detected again, adding to its enigma. Whether it was a natural phenomenon or something more extraordinary, the bloop continues to intrigue and mystify scientists and enthusiasts alike. The ocean holds its secrets tightly, and the bloop is one of its most fascinating mysteries. Section 6. A Graveyard of Giants. Point Nemo is a graveyard, not for humans but for spacecraft. Hundreds of decommissioned satellites, space stations, and other debris, all laid to rest in this watery tomb. The spacecraft break apart upon re-entry, scattering debris across a wide area. A silent rain of metal and circuitry falling into the abyssal depths. Section 7. Falling stars find their end here. Even the cosmos seems drawn to Point Nemo, meteoroids burning bright as they enter the atmosphere, streaking across the sky before plunging into the ocean. their fiery demise witnessed only by the endless waves. The ocean floor is littered with their remnants, cosmic dust and fragments of rock, millions of years old, a testament to the vastness of space and the insignificance of Earth. But what draws these celestial bodies to this remote part of our planet? Point Nemo, the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, is the farthest point from any landmass. It is a place of mystery and isolation, where the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean stretches out in all directions. This desolate location, named after the famous submarine captain from Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, serves as a final resting place for both man-made and natural objects. As meteoroids hurtle through space, they are pulled by Earth's gravity, entering our atmosphere at incredible speeds. The friction causes them to burn up, creating the spectacular light show we know as shooting stars. Most of these meteoroids disintegrate completely, but some survive the fiery journey, crashing into the ocean and sinking to the depths. Here, in the dark, cold waters of Point Nemo, they join the countless other fragments that have fallen over millennia. The ocean floor at Point Nemo is a graveyard of cosmic debris. Each piece tells a story of its journey through the cosmos, from the formation of our solar system to its final plunge into the sea. Scientists study these remnants to learn more about the history of our universe, uncovering secrets hidden within the ancient rocks and dust. Point Nemo is not just a resting place for meteoroids, it is also the final destination for decommissioned spacecraft. With no nearby human habitation, it is the perfect spot to safely dispose of space debris. The remains of space stations, satellites, and other man-made objects lie alongside the natural cosmic fragments, creating a unique underwater museum of human and celestial history. In this remote and desolate part of the world, the boundaries between Earth and space blur. Point Nemo stands as a reminder of our planet's place in the vast universe, a place where the stars themselves come to rest. Section 8. The silence of space meets the silence of the sea. Point Nemo, where the silence of space meets the silence of the sea. A place of profound isolation, a place where one can truly feel alone in the universe. The vastness of the Pacific can be overwhelming, the endless horizon, the knowledge that there is nothing but water for thousands of miles, it can drive a person mad. Section 9. What lurks beneath the waves? We know so little about the deep ocean. It is a realm of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure, and creatures beyond our wildest imaginations. What lurks beneath the waves at Point Nemo? Some say that ancient Lovecraftian horrors slumber in the abyss, creatures older than time itself, waiting for the opportune moment to rise again. Are they real, or are they figments of our darkest fears? Section 10. Dare to venture into the void? Would you dare to venture to Point Nemo, to experience the isolation, the mystery, the terror firsthand? To stare into the abyss and feel its gaze upon you? Most would say no. But for some, the allure of the unknown is too strong to resist. They are drawn to Point Nemo, like moths to a flame, hoping to unlock its secrets, or perhaps to meet their doom. But what is Point Nemo, you might ask? It is the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, the point in the ocean farthest from any land. A place so remote, it is closer to the International Space Station than to any human civilization. Imagine being surrounded by nothing but endless waves, with no sight of land for thousands of miles. The sheer thought of it sends shivers down the spine. Yet it is this very remoteness that calls to the adventurers, the explorers, the dreamers. Point Nemo is not just a geographical location, it is a symbol of ultimate isolation. It represents the edge of the known world, a place where the rules of civilization no longer apply. Here you are at the mercy of the elements, with only your wits and courage to guide you. The waters around Point Nemo are treacherous, with unpredictable currents and towering waves that can swallow a vessel whole. The weather is often stormy, with howling winds and torrential rains that test the limits of human endurance. For those who dare to venture into the void, the journey to Point Nemo is a test of both physical and mental fortitude. It is a battle against the forces of nature, a struggle to survive in one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. But for those who succeed, the rewards are immeasurable. They gain a deeper understanding of the world and their place in it. They experience a sense of accomplishment that few can match, and they become part of a select group of individuals who have dared to venture into the void and live to tell the tale. So, would you dare to venture into the void, to face the unknown, and embrace the challenge? The choice is yours. But remember, the void is not for the faint of heart. It is a place for the brave, the bold, and the fearless. Are you one of them? Section 11. The Unsolved Mysteries of Nemo Point. The ocean remains one of Earth's greatest mysteries, and Point Nemo is its most enigmatic point. Will we ever truly understand this desolate place, or will it forever remain a source of fear and fascination? The secrets of Point Nemo lie hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered. But be warned, some secrets are best left undisturbed.